Hi, stroke warriors, and welcome. As I mentioned in the previous video, there are many fad diets and strategies out there. Many of them are not really useful for stroke recovery purposes. To be useful, they must be easy to apply and maintain in your daily life and sustain over long periods of time, maybe even a lifetime. It should have an immediate impact on your health and quality of life. This is the standard in which I evaluate them. Personally, I don't like to use the word diet because to me it psychologically means denial. Let's try to use the word strategy instead where we can. Here are the strategies that I tried and my take on them. The first being the low calorie strategy. This involves portion control to maintain under 800 calories per day to achieve what they call a deficit, meaning your food input must be less than your work output. I found this strategy to be quite cumbersome to count calories at every meal, and the word portion control really has a negative psychological effect on me. This strategy gave me hunger pangs, low energy levels, and the loss of lean muscle mass. I soon found out this was not for me. The next is the low carb strategy. In this strategy, you must consume less than 80 grams of sugar or carbohydrates per day. This strategy is very effective for rapid loss in body weight. You can actually eat some low sugar fruits and carbohydrates as long as it is under 80 grams per day, equivalent to about 15 teaspoons of sugar, 8 french fries, or rice about the size of a fist. Before I share the next strategy, I want to talk to you about this hormone called leptin, or known as the full hormone. This is released by the brain when the body uses fat for fuel in a state called ketosis. The next three strategies will cause the body to be in this state by eliminating altogether sugar and carbohydrates as a fuel source. Once depleted, your body will now use fat, a more efficient fuel, and it will begin to metabolize your body fat first. Then ingested fat once your body fat has been used. The next three strategies are the carnivore, the pescatarian, and the ketogenic strategy. You will experience rapid weight loss. Your blood sugar will start to normalize. Your metabolism will start to speed up. There will be no hunger pangs because of the full hormone leptin. Your gut biome will start to improve. Your LDL or bad cholesterol will start dropping, and your HDL or good cholesterol will start to rise. I found the ketogenic strategy to be effective to apply because of the fiber included in it. I personally use green leafy vegetables because it helps in keeping me regular. The other two strategies can actually cause constipation because for beginners, if they don't take supplements, fiber supplements, you will get it. And best of all, with all these three strategies, there's no counting of anything. I will go into detail about the ketogenic strategy on my next video because this is the one I chose. I remind you, I'm not a doctor or a medical professional, so please don't construe anything I tell you in these videos as medical advice. Every stroke is different. It affects everyone different, so please consult your physician before attempting anything I tell you in these videos. Please click and like and subscribe and the bell icon so I can reach as many stroke patients and survivors as possible. I thank you very much for coming to my video. Bye now and see you in the coming videos.